In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram showing Welcome to Instagram app error. First, launch open the Instagram app. When you open it on the home page, if you just keep seeing Welcome to Instagram and nothing else, then what you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to profile. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This should take you to settings and activity. Now scroll down. Look for the option of content preferences. You will find this under what you see section. Once you tap on it, look for the option of snooze suggested post in feed. If this option is toggled on, then you simply want to toggle this option off. Go ahead and toggle it off. Next, tap on reset suggested content. Here, tap on next. Then tap on reset suggested content. Tap on it one more time to confirm. Now wait for some time. Once the Instagram has been refreshed, you want to check if your problem has been fixed. If not, then you simply want to follow a couple of people over here. To follow them, simply head over to their profile and tap on the follow option. In this way, you want to follow 5 or 10 people. Then refresh your page and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.